Hello everyone, back again with me, Mr. Ananta Arya Dharmika or Mr. Ananta, name 24130110033, and good morning everyone.
These are
Okay, before we begin, have you ever tried to find the price of an item when you only know the total cost of several items?
yes, sir.
Okay, for example, if two books and three pencils cost 19,000 rupiah, can you determine the price of each item?
It seems difficult, sir.
That's true. However, mathematics provides a way to solve such problem using linear equation and linear equation system. So today we will learn about the linear equation, their characteristic, and how to solve system of linear equation. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay, before you're ready, so the first material is we must know definition linear equation. Okay, a linear equation is a mathematical equation in which the variables have a power of 1. Okay, the formula like this: a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus 2 or until plus an xn equals b. So a1 a2 until an equals constant, x1 x2 until xn equals variables, and b is a constant. Okay, the next characteristic of linear equation. So the first we must know variables have a power of 1. No square root of variables, no multiplication between variables, and does not contain trigonometric or logarithmic function. Like example this. So the first equation is x plus 3y equals 7 and 2x minus 5 equals 9. So this is we have not a linear equation like x squared plus 2x equals 5 and the square root of x plus 1 equals 4. Okay, the next material is a definition linear equation. Okay, definition a linear equation system is a collection of two or more linear equations that involve the same variables. For example, a system with two variables like this. So the first equation is 3x minus 2y equals 7 and 2x plus 4y equals 10. Okay, next material is solving linear equation system. So the purpose of solving a linear equation system is to find the values of the variables that satisfy all equations. Okay, so we must know the method of solve the linear equation system. So the first method is substitution method. Okay, step of substitution method is so the first express one variable in terms of another variable. Two, substitute it into the other equation. Three, find the value of one variable. And four, substitute back to find the other variable. Okay, like two. Okay, next is example of substitution method. Okay, for example, like this. The first equation is 3x minus 2y equals 7 and second equation is 2x plus 4y equals 10. And from the second equation, we get 2x plus 4y equals 10 and x equals 5 minus 2y and substitute into the first equation. Substitute to this. Okay, like this. 3 times 5 minus 2y equals 7. So we get the result y equals 1, equals 3. So therefore, the solution set, we get the answer 3, comma 1. Okay, the next method is elimination method. Okay, the definition of elimination method is performed by eliminating one of the variables. Okay, for the step, first make the coefficient of one variable equal. 2, add and subtract the equation. 3, find the value of one variable. And the last, find the remaining variable. Okay, next is advantage and disadvantage. So advantage, easy to understand, suitable for simple linear equation system. Okay, for this advantage is difficult when there are many variables and calculation become length. Okay, the next is application. Linear equation system can determine the price of goods. For example, suppose that two books and three pencil cost 1900 rupiah, and one books and two pencil cost 1100 rupiah. And the mathematical model is 2x plus 3y equals 90 rupiah, 1900 rupiah, and x plus 2y equals 1100 rupiah, where x price of a book, y price of a pencil, and the system can be solved to find the price of each item. Okay, the conclusion of the material today is linear equation have variables raised only to the first power. A linear equation system consists of several linear equations. The main solving method are substitution and elimination, like before. Not all linear equation systems have solution. Okay, maybe that's all the material of today. So we have reached the end of today's lesson. So do you understand the concept of linear equation as linear equation system, student?
I understand, sir.
Okay, maybe any question?
Maybe no.
Okay, because no, thank you for your attention and participation today, and see you the next time.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.